Hello, this is Unicorn Workhorse, bringing you a new series that I kind of want to try out called Essential Apps, where me and another YouTuber will team up to give you a taste of what we use day to day. Today we're going to be focusing on must-have Android apps, and I'm going to be teaming up with Razaq Reviews. Let's get started.
Let's be honest, a lot of us sleep with our phones, and we usually don't fall asleep that quickly due to the blue light emanating from our screens.
Twilight is an app that overlays red and warm colors atop your whole interface, negating that blue light, making sure that you will have a nicer sleep.
And the team behind this app, Urban Android, has made setup so simple. You just set your preferred tones, dimness, and preset times, and voila, you're done. Depending on your preset times, your device's display will turn warm.
By far the coolest feature of Twilight is its ability to work across all Android devices. Phones, TVs, tablets, even Hue light bulbs. They all work with Twilight. It's become one of the Internet of Things sort of things. Also, you can donate to the developers if you've got
extra mayonnaise.
So guys, my name is Razaq and I'm doing a collaboration with Unicorn Workhorse, and we are going to be showing you guys our top must-have apps. So one of the apps I'll be talking about is Action Launcher 3. Now the chances are you probably never heard of Action Launcher 3 if you never used Android, or you probably don't know much about Android, or even if you have an Android but you don't really know about customization and launchers. Let me show you. So on Android you can do a lot of customizations. You can change icon packs, you can add widgets, you can change the whole interference of your device by flashing ROMs and everything like that. But if you do want to change the design of your home screen without having to install anything or like factory reset your phone, there's an app on the Play Store that is free called Action Launcher 3. Now what is Action Launcher 3? Action Launcher 3 is a launcher. Now a launcher is what you can put on your phone. It's like a skin for a home screen. Now let's say you have a Samsung device, you don't like the software or the home screen design that's already on, install Action Launcher 3 and you change it up to a stocker Android feel that has many customization features. So with Action Launcher 3 you basically have unlimited customization options. You can change the icon pack, you can change the color of the app drawer, you can change the color of the Google search bar, and the folders icons, and inside the folder, instead of being black, white, or anything plain like that. So for an example, I can change the Instagram logo because I do have a few icon packs installed. I use candy icons and polygons. Those are my top picks for icon packs. So if I don't like the Instagram icon right now, I can change it back to the old one by just one single tap, and it's at the old one, and it looks nice. Now yes, Action Launcher 3 is a free app on the Play Store, but if you want to pay an extra $5, you can get the premium version. And I do recommend you paying the extra $5 to get the extra features, because this is an app you are going to be using for a long time. It's not one of those apps where you're just going to drop the money and then you're not going to ever use it again. I've been using Action Launcher 3 for about 1 year or more now, and I don't regret buying the app. Now yes, there are a lot of other launchers out there, for example the Nova launcher, the Google Now launcher, but I feel that to always need to go back to Action Launcher 3. Customization is like beyond, and the features it holds to is very amazing, and this is a must-have on every Android device I get. I have to install Action Launcher 3 on it, since the customization is like a key to what Android features, so I can change icons and everything like that. That's all I have to talk about for Action Launcher 3. I'm going to pass it to Diego now, and he's going to talk about the next app.
A great thing about Android apps is widgets, which allow you to customize your home screen and give it more functionality and a new look. Month is one of the best calendar widgets out there. It beats your run-of-the-mill calendar widget in look and functionality.
First of all, you've got a ton of themes to go with your style of choice, and if that's not enough, you can always buy a couple more. You can also pay to remove ads, but you won't see them outside of the app.
The best feature, other than the styling options, is the way that you view events. It's very unique.
Instead of ugly tiles in your calendar, you can simply tap on a date and a list of the day's events will appear. If you choose to tap on one of those, you'll go straight into Google Calendar. However, I'm not sure there's a way to integrate with Microsoft or other calendar apps, but I assume that the process can be handled by Android's account manager.
But don't take my word for it. There's even more customization to be had inside the app, and overall, Month is just a really beautiful widget.
So the next application I'll be talking about is called Brashpad. Now, Brashpad is a wallpaper app that can do a lot of things. It's free on the Play Store and it has no ads, and it's a must download. You have to download this, okay? The links will be down below again. If you do want to download, just check it out and download it. You're gonna like this. I use this app all the time. I have it on my tablet and my phone. I change wallpapers a lot. So on Brashpad, okay, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna pick a wallpaper that they already pre-made for us. So okay, triangles are cool, right? I'm gonna put some triangles, and I like this pattern, but I don't like the colors. Okay. I still don't like the colors, and they aren't generating colors right for me. I'm gonna pick my own colors. Okay, so number one, I'm just gonna put that some yellow. Yellow is pretty nice. Then for number two, I'm gonna change that to, that looks pretty nice. And number three, I'm gonna keep that kind of right there. It looks pretty good too. And number four, I'm just gonna add it red. Then I made my own wallpaper. My very own wallpaper. No one in the world has this exact same one. No one. It's impossible. So I can make it my wallpaper, and no one has this wallpaper. Only me. I'm the only one with this wallpaper right now. And on Android, you're supposed to be together, not the same. And this is basically it. You don't want to copy anyone. You want to make your own wallpaper. You want to be yourself. Instead of having a wallpaper that everyone has. Let's say, like, you know, okay, oh, that guy has a nice wallpaper. Let me take his. You make your own wallpaper and you just show it off. So, you know, you get what I mean. Okay. I'm going to pass it to Diego now. He'll be showing you guys the last application that is a must-have.
The last app on the list is by far my favorite. Unlike iOS, Android allows you to set your own custom lock screen, and this is one of them.
Corgi fetches your news for you by integrating with your Feedly account. If you don't have a Feedly account, it'll work fine. You can also input your Instagram feed as well. Corgi is a great alternative to a news widget. The only problems that I have is that it acts as an app, meaning that it consumes slightly more energy, and when you boot up the phone, there is a brief couple moments when the phone is not locked.
In my opinion, it's not really that big of a deal, and the ability to look at your news instantly in a feed right on your lock screen, it's totally worth it.
So guys, I'm done my part of this collab, and this collab was really fun to make. I really had a fun time doing it. And I want to say special thanks to Diego for letting me actually join this first ever collaboration. I had a really fun time. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, Unicorn Workhorse, and be sure to check out my channel. The link will be down in the description. Leave a comment on one of my videos, and
We'll be friends.
thank you guys for watching this video. Give us your feedback in the comments down below, and thank you guys for checking this out.
Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and check out Razaq's channel. He does some delicious work over there. And also subscribe here if you want to see more app lists like this, other tech videos. I'll probably have some links in the description that you can check out, or I don't know, maybe some info cards. All right, guys, I'm Diego. This is Unicorn Workhorse. And show those developers some love. Special thanks to Donnie Jones for helping me film this. And he's right behind the camera. Just say hi. Hello. Okay. Yeah.
We'll be friends.
Thinking. And stay over here and check out what I've got for you. All right, this is Unicorn Workhorse. I'm Diego. And that made no sense. Workhorse, I'm Diego. And nah.
You were so good.